Good morning. It is Wednesday, January 13th, 2010, and this is the first video I'm making for the course that you have just been accepted to, Emerging Technologies for Collaboration. You are enrolled in ETC for the spring of 2010. Welcome to class. This video is just an introduction to the course, some basic information, frequently asked questions, and kind of an overview of my philosophy for creating this class. This class is an opportunity for you to learn how to collaborate at a distance. When you live rurally or even when you live in the city, there are people that you want to contact and work with and collaborate with who live far away. And this will give you an opportunity to learn the productivity tools and collaboration tools that will help you work on teams when you all can't be in the same location. There is a technology focus. This is a computer class, but the class also involves communication skills. So there are English language arts standards that we're meeting, and a lot of information about future career opportunities. So for those of you who are looking toward your senior projects and you have to do something about career awareness, this would be a perfect class in which to do some of those projects. Every week you will be getting an email from me and links to your online class portal that tell you what your weekly assignments are going to be. The assignments will be divided by day, but you can do them in any order you want to as long as by Sunday of that week you've completed the work. You'll be emailing me daily. You'll be setting up a blog and entering on the blog daily. You will be communicating with each other at a distance. You'll be Skyping using Desktop Share, Webcam Max here, which you can see the logo for above my head. You might want to download that now. And a lot of other tools that we'll learn just a few at a time. The most exciting one you're probably interested in is getting into the virtual environment. When I get you the mini laptops that some of you will be borrowing, that will be your opportunity to launch into the virtual environment. I am creating for you your avatars in Second Life, and you will be getting a message that tells you now you have a username and password and you can log in and your avatar is ready for you. I'll be creating Google Mail or Gmail accounts for all of you that will be attached to your Second Life avatar. I'm trying to think of some of the questions that you might have offhand. We will be meeting in World after the first couple of weeks, at least twice a week. We have a teaching assistant. Her name is Carrera, or Kat, and she was with the class during the fall of 2009. So she has a lot of skills and a lot of information that she can give to you. And she also has a lot of stuff in her inventory I've given you. So you might, ask her nicely if she can pass you some things. I think the thing I want you to remember about this most is that we are all here to learn and to help each other learn. And to do that, we're sharing information. We're collaborating with our findings. I appreciate it when people are able to share what they've learned, and so we'll have a lot of opportunities to do that. The people who contribute most to class and get the best scores and grades are the ones who find information and find ways to disseminate it to the rest of the group regularly, because that's what being part of a team is. Everybody has an opportunity to make up grades. Everybody has an opportunity for an A. Your final project will actually be an assignment that comes from another one of your classes in your real brick and mortar school. A presentation that will meet a requirement for another class but that you can create in the virtual environment, and you will present in the virtual environment. You'll project your screen from your computer onto through some sort of projection device like a Proxima, and you will wear your headset as I am now and be working in World so that I can film you and upload your final project to YouTube. I will be sending you information about how to contact me, how often to contact me, how to check your grades, how to log into the class portal, and what your assignments are when we finalize the class list. So in the meantime, I will see you in person soon when I come to deliver the laptops and visit your schools. And The first couple of weeks, just know you'll probably be working at your regular computer labs at school on a regular computer, accessing areas of the web that other students can't access. So my final word to you is to remind you that your accounts, your student login accounts at your schools, are giving you privileges that you need to demonstrate responsibility for. You will have access to Second Life, you will have access to YouTube, you'll have access to Google Docs and Google Apps. You'll have access to a lot of areas of the net that your fellow students won't have access to. You need to not brag about that. You need to act responsibly, and if any teacher or other student finds you accessing materials in those environments that are inappropriate for school, your account will be restricted, your computer will be taken, and you will be removed from the class and sent someplace else during that time. Additionally, in the virtual environment, we have a dress code, we have behavioral standards. Both Linden Labs and the Schoolaborate environment have behavior standards and requirements, and you need to be familiar with all of those so you don't make a mistake and find yourself without a class during this time. Most of the classes, students are enrolled 5th and 6th period, which is approximately 12:30 to 1:30 for 5th period and 1:30 to 2:30 sort of for 2nd period. All of our classes start January 18th, 19th, Tuesday, except for Sherman County, which begins their second semester February 1st. So I look forward to seeing you